Neurogen Brain and Spine Institute in Navi Mumbai, India is an international center of excellence for neurological disorders which has been set up specifically to treat incurable neurological conditions using state-of-the-art medical treatments and rehabilitation. More than 1 billion people around the world, 15% of the world's population, live every day with conditions that lead to some form of disability. In children, autism, cerebral palsy, and intellectual disability are just some of the causes. Globally, about 70 million people have autism spectrum disorder, 17 million people have cerebral palsy, and 7 million people have intellectual disability. In adults, brain stroke, spinal cord injuries, head injury, muscular dystrophy, and ALS cause limited mobility, greatly affecting their quality of life. Globally, about 5.6 million populations have spinal cord injuries, whereas 2 million are suffering from muscular dystrophy, and 35 million in the world have suffered from brain stroke. Here at Neurogen Brain and Spine Institute in India, great strides are being made in the pioneering field of regenerative stem cell treatment through a combination of stem cell transplantation and comprehensive neurorehabilitation. Having been set up on the 17th of December in 2008, we have treated 4,500 patients from over 43 countries. Since its inception, the number of patients treated has been increasing progressively. Through our clinical research in the field of regenerative medicine and neurological disorders, we have published 53 scientific papers in various international and national medical journals and 13 books. We have been accredited by ISO 9001-2008, GLP and GNP. Neurogen Brain and Spine Institute is located in the plush greens within the peace and tranquility of Seawoods, Navi Mumbai. Stem cell therapy is carried out in an operation theatre and one dedicated stem cell lab. The processes are carried out under the supervision of a highly experienced neurosurgeon and neuropathologists. The warmth and hospitality of the staff makes the patients feel at home away from home. Comfortable suite accommodation along with a host of amenities including round-the-clock Wi-Fi, laptop facility, in-phone dial, local SIM card, food as per requirement and international standards makes the stay for the family personalized. We have dedicated departments for various therapies such as physiotherapy, occupational therapy, Autism Child Developmental Center, Applied Behavioral Analysis, Speech Therapy, Dance and Music Therapy, and Diet Counseling. We also have some special neurorehabilitation facilities such as aquatic therapy. One of its kind facility in the country that is spinal cord injury walking track, which helps wheelchair-bound patients of spinal cord injury to come back on their feet, and sensory integration room. We have treated over 625 patients of autism. Statistics show 91% of patients of autism have shown improvements. PET-CT scan of the brain in children with autism shows that there are selective areas in the brain that are not functioning normally. Stem cell therapy has shown to reverse this damage, helping the child to maximize his level of independence. Neurogen Brain and Spine Institute has successfully published 8 scientific articles in both national and international journals. The first ever publication showing the safety and efficacy of stem cell therapy in autism was published by Neurogen Brain and Spine Institute, showing the leadership of India in this field. We have treated over 633 patients of cerebral palsy. Statistics show 92% of the patients of cerebral palsy have shown improvements. After performing stem cell therapy, there have been significant changes seen in the PET-CT scan of patients with cerebral palsy. Neurogen has successfully published 4 scientific articles about cerebral palsy in both national and international journals. We have treated over 466 patients of spinal cord injury. 82% of our patients with spinal cord injuries have shown improvements. Neurogen has successfully published 5 scientific articles in national and international journals to this respect. We have treated over 1,042 patients of muscular dystrophy, which is a progressive disease of the muscles, and about 90% of our patients have shown improvements. Neurogen has successfully published 11 scientific articles about muscular dystrophy in national and international journals. We have treated over 121 patients of brain stroke, out of which 96% of patients have shown improvements. Neurogen has successfully published 4 scientific articles about stroke in both national and international journals. We have been reaching out and touching different lives by conducting various free medical camps in various parts of India as well as worldwide. Neurogen routinely organizes training programs for rehabilitation specialists in India as well as overseas. Neurogen has achieved various awards at various national and international forums. We have received the Best Stem Cell Therapy Center in India by National Healthcare Excellence Award in 2016 at New Delhi, India. Emerging Stem Cell and Neurology Center of the Year, India by Brands Academy Award in 2016 December at New Delhi, India. The Rose of Paracelsus Award by EMA and Socrates Nomination Committee, Oxford, UK at Cannes, France. With different backgrounds and for gaining the most affordable medical solution for neurological disorders which did not have any treatment available, we have been able to spread smiles and make these patients independent.